If there is any picture you took somewhere or somebody sent to you, but if you find out that there is something at the background you don't want every other person to see, that picture to have. In this video, you're going to learn how to blur picture background for free in Windows 11. Let's get into it. So I have a sample picture I want to use here. So I'll click on my File Explorer. So look at this picture here. Let me double click on it. So once you get to where the picture is in your folder, just double click on it. Okay, look at this picture and look at this building at the background. I don't want to have it in this picture. So I want to blur the background so that I'll have only this woman showing very well without this building at the background. In your own case, it can be human beings or some data environments that are the background. So I want to blur them. Let's see how it can be done. The next step you need to take after you double click on the picture and it opens is to click on edit. On this edit page, you will have some things at the top here. Alright, don't worry, if you don't have it, I will walk you through how to get it in your Windows 11 PC. So click on this background. This stands for remove background or work on background. So this will capture the picture just as you can see this color around it. The next step you need to take is to click on blur. Okay, so on clicking on blur, this background is blurred, but you can work on it further. So let's drag this. It depends on the intensity you want. Okay, because the more you drag towards 100, the more blurry the background becomes. If you drag it this way down, okay, the less blurry it becomes. But I want it to be more blurry. So once you're good with the state you're having it at a point in time, click on this drop down at save options. Select save as copy. So this opens into the folder that the major picture is. Okay, the main picture is. If you want to save it in another folder, click on that folder I want to save it. Okay, give it a name. So let's call this blur in this case. Now click on save. A new picture has been created and this one is blurred. Let's compare the two. So let me double click on the main picture and it has opened. I'll take my cursor here. I'll use this feature, then select this, that is the snap layout of Windows 11. So I'll double click on this one, then I'll take my cursor here and I will click on this, then I will select this. So you can see the main picture here, you can see the one that is blurred, you can see the difference between both. Okay, let me still adjust this way. Okay, they'll have the same something close to in terms of the sharing of the window. So this is how you can blur picture in Windows 11 PC for free. But what if a situation whereby you don't have this tool that I used to do this? What do you need to do? You need to update your Windows 11 PC. So let me walk you through on how to update it. Click on Windows logo key, click inside the search and type settings. Okay, then select the settings option. Once it opens, click on Windows Update. Then click on check for updates. Or sometimes, if you have been connecting your PC to the internet, some updates may be waiting for you. All you need to do is to click on install. Alright, or any button that you need to click that will be here for it to install to the latest version of the OS. Okay, to update it. So once you update it successfully, you're good. Ensure your PC is connected to the internet for this to work. If this content helps, consider subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you and see you some other time.